All right, guys, I love parking garages. There's not much to them. It's just a place to park your car, but to me, they're fun. It's like a ramp that goes up many, many levels. And so it's concrete and it sounds good when you go around corners because you can hear your tires squealing a little bit, even if you're going slow. But there's something about it, man. Today, we're going to go down very, very fast. All right, are you ready? Let's go down as fast as possible. Let's go. I know you think I'm silly, but to me, that's some good stuff.